Mihango ya uthecani wa njanjo ya Covid-19 kuri kimumu kia andu niiruguririe umuthi ni Thirikari kuhitukira Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri, unyitaniri-ini na Ministry ya ugitiri wa thiinii hamwe na ruhonge rwa motungata ma Nairobi NMS. Minister wa ugima wa mwiri Mutahi Kagwe ni ahinyiriirie bata wa muingi gukorwo kiamukira njanjo eno guku akiuga maratanya gukorwo magitheca andu milioni 1 oro muthenya na uguo kuria muingi wiyumirie na njira nene niguo kuhonokia mioyo ya Kenya kugumirwo ni murimu uyu.
This time round we are going to vaccinate everybody. Our target is to make sure at least 1 million people are vaccinated per day, at least for the next 2 weeks. Every day 1 million people. If we do that, after your variant, ikija, Covid-19, the new variant, we know that we will protect our families. If you treat this disease normally, it will treat you.
Mwena-ini wake Minister wa ugitiri wa thiinii Dagitari Fred Matiang'i nioritie macifu hamwe na anini yao kwambiriria mihango ya guthie nyumba kwa nyumba magithomithagia muingi bata wa kuheo njanjo eno. Guku nake munene wa motungata ma Nairobi Mohamed Badi akiuga county ya Nairobi ina ceceni 159 cia uthecani wa njanjo kuria matanyite muingi uria uri county-ini no milioni 4.9 ni ugukorwo wamukirite njanjo eno ihinda
Najua hatutaki kusukuma watu wetu kwenda kuchanjwa because we cannot make it compulsory or force you. This one we will have to win it using love. Mapenzi. Sasa nataka tupite round kwa manyumba tukiwaongeleza watu wetu pole pole, tukiwapembeleza. Tafadhali ukipata akina mama kaa nao chini tuwaeleze pole pole.
If we take the figures of the first vaccination alone, Nairobi has reached 1.9 million. So mine is to urge all those who have had their first vaccination to make sure that you are vaccinated.
County-ini ya Nyeri munini wa County Commissioner Joseph Mwangi ni atugiritie muingi wakuo ni gwitikira kwiyumiria kwa mukira njanjo eno akiuga maratanya kuheana njanjo 1,000 oro muthenya kuri muingi wa mwena ucio.
Akuga riu ni tumite tauni tugathie migunda-ini riu turamakora kinya kou mari onoko ne micii kwao no njuria andu othe a Nyeri haria mundu ari etikire guthecwo cindano icio igere first second dose na booster.
Maya mokite oriri Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite gutire mundu gukorwo kiamukira motungata ma thirikari angikorwo ndamukirite njanjo ciiri cia Covid-19. Gukinyaniria na riu njanjo milioni 12,885 igana rimwe ria 57 nicio ithecanitwo guku bururi-ini hari namba eno andu milioni 3,701,658 makiamukira njanjo ya mbere guku andu milioni 5,883 na 19 makiamukira njanjo cieri. Andu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.